Oh boy, that's a huge crowd. Good morning guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is going to be very interesting, so make sure to watch it till the end. Thing is, Gigabyte is opening one of their biggest exclusive Aorus themed gaming PC store in Hyderabad, and they've invited me and my dad as a special guest for the opening. So right now we'll be going over there guys, and I'll be giving you people like an exclusive store tour of that place, and I'll be showing you some very interesting gaming related stuff. So I'm pretty sure you people will also have super fun in this video. And by the way, I've told the same thing to you people 2 days ago on my YouTube community post, and I've asked you people also come to the event where you can meet me, we can have some fun sessions. So I'm really looking forward to meet you all. And by the way, all the COVID guidelines and rules will be followed at the place, so nothing to worry about. Let's get started. And by the way, this video is sponsored by the brand, so big thanks to them. Alright guys, so we finally arrived at the place, Aorus's brand new exclusive gaming store in Hyderabad. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's get inside and check out the store. I bet people are waiting for us. Hi Shashank bro.
Hi.
How are you man? Long time.
Yeah, it's been long time.
Yeah, so this is a store you were talking about, right?
Right.
Yeah.
So first of all, welcome to the store.
Thank you.
And it's been 2 years that we met?
Yeah, it's been almost two and a half years.
Almost 2 years, yeah.
And let me tell you guys, it's been almost one and a half year I haven't been to CTC market, so I'm quite excited to check out this new exclusive store over here.
So this is definitely a different store than what you've regularly seen on CTC.
It's complete Aorus themed gaming store, right?
Right.
Awesome. I can already see the black and orange theme everywhere over here.
Yeah. So what we have done is a little different.
And by the way guys, let me tell you, this is Shashank, the main guy from Gigabyte, and he'll be giving us a complete store tour today.
Right.
Yeah.
So why don't we go upstairs and then I'll probably...
Let's start with the base, right?
So this store, it's basically the gaming PC store is kind of an initiative by Shweta Computers.
Okay.
And
so it's like an extension from their side.
Extension from their side. So this is a multi-brand store for them. What we have done, which is very unique, is that we have created an experience zone of like how you build PCs, how you
made for
assemble
gamers.
PCs. For gamers.
For gamers.
And that experience zone is completely different from what you have seen before, and that's on the first floor.
Oh.
So here we have AMD has done some section where they have created
I can
PCs.
already see some exclusive PCs. I bet there are some exclusive ones at the top as well, right?
Yes.
Yeah, come on, let's check it out. Okay, so what do we have over here?
So these are a couple of cabinets from Gigabyte and Cougar. So we partner with Cougar and we're kind of doing co-marketing activities with them. So most of our PCs are built on Gigabyte cabinets or Cougar cabinets. So these are cabinets on display. And then there is one demo machine on the AMD segment.
That one?
Yeah, that one.
Okay.
And this is again a very unique, AMD build PC. And what we are trying to do is that this is our first experience that we would want to give. Since this is a multi-brand store, a lot of components are being sold in the first floor.
Yeah.
And where people can come and experience here. This is just like a, how do I say, starter before you, kind of get into, what
the
is
main
there.
thing is at the top floor,
At the top
guys. We'll
floor.
be going there in a
Right,
moment.
right.
Yeah.
So,
and by the way, I love these posters, man. Quite attractive at the entrance.
Right. So this kind of gives a feeling, and this is where I believe the whole store and the experience starts. So this is the starting point of it. And then moving forward, we have one rack which is dedicated to Gigabyte. Where we have a lot of stocks on display.
Motherboards.
Right.
Motherboards, power supplies. And what is that?
This is the bricks. This is the mini PC form factor. Right.
Oh. Wait, I haven't seen this from Gigabyte. Are these new?
These are, so we keep launching new models. So bricks is a different segment altogether, which is catering to mini ITX form factor PCs or compact PCs.
Yeah.
So this is a different segment to our DIY. So we have kind of introduced a couple of models.
You know what? I want to review this.
Definitely.
You'll be sending it over?
Yeah, I think you can carry one when you leave.
Okay, nice.
Right. So this is the
Aorus
entrance to the experience zone. And before we go up, I would want to tell that what we've understood in markets like this is that a lot of consumers get confused with what they want to buy, which components, which store they have to go for. So we thought that it's kind of brand's responsibility also to guide them, through and throughout, wherein give them like the best solution possible based on their needs, and also educate them as to which components should go for what. At the same time, we also realized that there is a couple of customers and gamers who would want to build a PC on there. They want to understand how this thing is.
This is for you people.
Right. So I know that you build a lot of PCs on your channel also, and I've seen that a lot of people get excited about it. And PC building is a craze, when it comes to tech channel, right? So that's what we are trying to create, a very unique space. We would also be hosting a lot of events upstairs. So I think it's time for us to go up and check it out.
Sure. I'm like excited for this, man.
Sure.
Yeah. Achha, one more thing I wanted to ask.
Yeah.
This is like an offline plus online store, or
this
just
is an
like
offline plus online store.
Okay, great. So guys, you can come here anytime, and these guys will like completely guide you depending on your requirement, and you can build a PC. And before building a PC, you can even experience it over here. And Shashank is going to, guide us over here.
So this is the entrance. You see the Aorus logo. Right, pretty cool. And this is our area where we build PCs, but I'll come to this section later.
Okay, we'll start from over there. Oh, look at the stock over here. So what do we have?
So what we've done is we have created different segments, for each of the racks. So customers can come and select what they want. So they can just pick up a motherboard they're looking for. They pick up a graphic card.
That is pretty cool.
They can pick up their SSD, right? SSD and RAM, power supply, cooler.
Very nicely categorized. Look at this. We've got motherboard section, graphic card section, SSD, power supply and cooler. You can just come to this store, pick whatever you want and start building it yourself, I guess, and experience it also before buying it over here at this place.
And what is interesting about this is that a lot of customers don't get to see the complete range. Right? So when they come here and they have a look and feel of it, they know what needs to go with what, rather than having an interaction with consumers. So we're kind of also trying to see how we can make it a very seamless process. Of building a PC,
I get
right?
the idea. Yeah.
So once they pick this up, they can go and build it. But at the same time, what we're also doing is that we created like 3 different demo PCs here.
Nice.
Right? Wherein people can come, experience each of these PCs, and also can ask us like, okay, what if a PC, how will a PC perform if I put a 3070 card in it, or how will a PC perform if I upgrade it to X570?
So you'll change that GPU
on the spot. On
the
spot.
Nice.
And then based on that spec they're looking for, they can actually experience it and then make the purchase decision.
Dude, this is super, guys. For example, if you just have a PC over here sitting with 3060 and you want to see like how 3070 performs, you can just ask the store guys and they'll replace it for you on the spot, and you can directly check out the difference between both these cards and go for whatever you want.
Right. And it's not only graphic card but across all the components also.
All the components?
All the components. Even monitors, if somebody says, okay, this is a curve, I want to have the same spec but change it with a flat monitor, right? So then somebody will come, help you out, replace this monitor with a flat monitor, then experience how it is in terms of performance, look and feel and everything, and then they can make a decision.
Very nice.
So this is across all our
guys, look at this. We've got an exclusive open frame case. So tell me about this machine.
So this is basically a machine that we've created for creators. It has got a very unique design. We have partnered with Cougar on this, for this cabinet.
Okay.
And this particular PC has a spec of 3080 Ti gaming OC.
Okay.
Right, and it has the X570 Aorus.
This is the Vision series, right? GPU?
This is the Vision series.
Yes, correct.
Right.
Yeah.
And this is we trying to build a system where just like the flagship that anybody can get for.
Yeah.
So you can do
premium tier.
Yeah, premium tier. So it kind of covers maybe is appropriate for all your PC needs. Right.
Okay,
and
I can see a couple
the
of
custom cooler that we have again relaunched. You've done one review, I believe. So this is a new one.
Actually, this is a new model.
New model.
Okay.
Here you can play GIFs and videos also. So that's an upgrade for the existing one.
Okay.
Right.
Guys, let me know if you want me to cover anything in this store, and Shashank will send it over and I'll do it for you people.
100%.
Yeah. Okay, do we have any new monitors over here?
We have G24F, which is recently launched. Unfortunately, we don't have the demo unit here.
Okay.
But that's the 24-inch segment that we're getting into. We'll also be launching a 240 Hz monitor very soon.
Okay.
But I believe that we have already done one review for the M27Q, which is the world's first KVM gaming
monitor. Yeah.
So that's that, and this is G32QC, 32 inches curved monitor.
Curve monitor.
Yeah.
Pretty nice.
And what we also have a white theme build for creators. So this is completely white theme, white and black theme that we have gone with. And this particular PC again is kind of designed for designers and content creators.
Understood. I can actually see the difference. See, this is the best part over here, guys. For example, if you're a newbie and you're not experienced in building a PC, you can come here and start building, and these guys will personally help you and guide you step by step,
Exactly.
like how you should do everything, components installation.
I was actually hoping that you would answer my question by saying that there would be a lot of people who would want to know how to build PCs.
Exactly.
And this is a store they can fulfill their dreams.
Exactly.
So they can actually come to this section. Right?
We've got a separate section.
Yeah.
Whoa.
So this is a place you want to cut because.
So guys, this is a place where you can experience building PC yourself with the help of these guys.
Right.
Yeah.
So what we're doing here is that any person can come to this particular space, and then they can just come and say, okay, fine, I want to build a PC.
You can pick the components from over there,
From
come
there,
over
just
here,
come here, yeah.
start building.
Start building a PC. And if there are customers who actually want to learn PC building, also we would be doing a lot of workshops as well here. So it'll be really, if there are your audiences who would say that, okay, we would want to learn how to build PCs, maybe we can do a collab thing, right? Where Vimal comes and teaches people how to build PCs. At least the basic ones.
We can actually plan this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we can do a PC building workshop here for all your fans exclusively. We could also, so people can also walk in and say and they can just get any kind of tech advice from us.
Yeah.
So we have the best expertise here. And once they build PCs, they can also get a complete experience of how it would look in a setup.
Correct.
If they want to get into streaming.
Correct.
So this is
With the monitor included.
With the monitor included.
Yeah. Complete experience.
Right. And we would be setting up, so this is still in progress. So we have a room which is going to be set up, wherein we have the lights and everything, but this is a place where we'll be doing a streaming setup also.
Oh, this is a dedicated streaming room, guys. Pretty nice. So it's still under work in progress.
It's still under work in progress.
Okay. Nice, man. There's also some studio lighting as well, I believe.
Right. So this will be set up very soon.
There's also a microphone. So people can actually use this?
People can actually use this. So we'll set up a complete, so we'll have a webcam. They can also stream live from here. And I think we're moving forward, we'll also be coming up with some of the demo PCs where they can actually come and game. So we'll have like 2-3 setup PCs they can play with each other or however they want to do it. So they can actually come here and experience a complete live streaming thing.
Nice. Pretty good idea.
Right.
I want to see the full version, when it's completely done.
Right.
Well, that was it, guys. That was our complete store tour on Gigabyte's exclusive Aorus themed gaming PC store in Secunderabad. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to learn everything about the place. And in case if you ever visit CTC Market in Secunderabad, do come to their store. You will have lots of fun. And by the way, Shweta Computers also told me that they're doing something like a dedicated gaming experience zone in the top first floor, and they'll be setting up like 4 to 5 PCs of different configurations, and you people can come to the store anytime, visit to the store anytime, and you can actually use these systems, play games on them, and experience how gaming feels on these premium top-notch gaming PCs, that too with like high refresh rate monitors. So that's a pretty good thing. So that is pretty much it, guys. And in the meantime, what happened is, once we were done with the whole store to shooting part, you people suddenly came to the entrance and started shouting for us. Oh boy, that's a huge crowd. Oh Wow, what a day it was, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to check out that complete store tour of Gigabyte's new Aorus exclusive gaming PC store in Hyderabad. Store tour was done like long ago, guys, but I had to wait like 1 to 2 hours because I didn't expect that you people, you know, such huge crowd would be coming to see us at that store opening. And I spent almost like 1 to 2 hours. All COVID guidelines were like strictly followed at the place. So you know, these people were like allowing batches of 5 people inside the store to come meet us, take pictures with us, and we had some autograph sessions also, and we did some merchandise giveaways. Like I gave away some caps and t-shirts signed by my name. It was really a fun session. So I'm like really glad you people came to meet me, and I had like super fun today. I hope you people also enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.